well.
Hindi ka tawa ko sa bato baka to sa.
Oh, it's alternate.
Ito na example.
Oh, well, I would like to inform you that we have our programs that will hold today at the... It's like that.
At first, I'd like to introduce you myself.
Ladies and gentlemen, at first I would like to introduce to you our guest speaker of the night. But first, I introduce myself. I am Shady Patton. I live from Lebanon, Mako, or rather, Mako.
Social pa pagkatawa.
Oh, sorry. I'm just kidding, you know? Are you laughing? No, it's not, baby. Don't laugh. Laughter is the best medicine. Okay?
Social. Kata sa kuan ba kata sa studio to trigger kata sa top to.
Okay, everybody, we here at top of the pops.
Kata at first, I'd like to.
I would like to introduce to you our guest speaker of this morning. Miss Cherries Pimpenko.
AKA
Cha-cha.
Bully.
What? What?
Volcano. Cha bo.
Boholino. Okay, darling. Miss Cherries.
Tama kita Dallin. Sa Dallin.
What?
Sa Dallin. So init.
So very sweat. My hand is wet. You know? Don't laugh at me because I'm serious. Okay.
Higata simod.
Okay, everybody. This is our guest speaker of this morning, Miss Cherries Pimpenko, aka Cha Boleno. Okay, Miss, how do you say the beautiful hands of our friends, Angel? Oh, see, Angel? You know Angel?
Well, actually, angels brought me here.
Oh, yeah, guys, Sebastiano. Angels brought me here. Don't laugh at me, darling. I'm so serious. Okay. Okay, don't laugh. You laugh like a social person.
That's good.
Like that or like that. Oh, you put your hands in your mouth and you there. Like that.
Like that? What?
My saliva is...
You have to
Okay, bye-bye.
make a report.
She
has a report.
In
Look at my sweat.
Oh, yours.
Okay, pose. Let's have to pose.